Multi-location basics. If you're managing a larger organization with multiple office locations, you know that shipping can get complicated. That's where multi-location comes in, making mailing and shipping easier for businesses like yours. Our all-in-one interface, available via the web, downloadable client, or mobile, allows for better visibility, cost control, and user management. In this video, we'll walk through the basic steps and features available to the corporate administrator role. If you have questions about other roles like regional or location administrators, you can find helpful articles at help.stamps.com. Let's begin by looking at the location controls. To start, log into your account as the corporate administrator. From your account dashboard, hover over your username at the top of the screen to open the drop-down menu, then select Manage Account. This will bring up the corporate-wide settings menu sidebar. The menu should automatically open to corporate-wide settings. If not, just click on that tab to open it. At the top of this screen, you'll see the All Locations tab. This shows all the active locations for your company, along with their meter numbers in parentheses. You can also see the status of each location, whether it's active or inactive, and how many users are assigned to each one. For single user plans, you'll see one user, and for multi-user plans, you'll see 2 users or more. If you want to manage a specific location, just click on the location name. This will bring up the Location Settings window. Under the General Settings tab, you can set up auto-funding. This feature ensures you'll always have enough funds to print postage, so you don't run into any interruptions. You'll also see options for funding restrictions, supply purchases, and report viewing. These settings help you control how funds are managed at each location. Next, click on the Ship From Address tab. Here, you can see and update the address for where your mail and packages are sent from. If there's a change in the name of your office or the location, you can make those adjustments here. Going back to the main screen, the Contact Information tab is where you can enter details for the main point of contact at your company. This is the person you interact with most often for account-related matters. If you're creating a new admin, we recommend you contact our enterprise support team by email with the admin's name, email, and phone number. This ensures we have the correct details on file, allowing them to act as an improved corporate administrator. Now, let's cover how to add new locations to your account. To add a new location, a corporate administrator must download and fill out the Add Location CSV file with the new location details and primary user information. You'll then send this file to our enterprise support team for processing. Here's how you do it. Under the All Locations tab, click the Request New Locations button. This will open a pop-up window where you can download the CSV sample file. If you've downloaded it before, we recommend downloading and working from a fresh copy to avoid complications. When you open the file, you will find that there are sections for both adding a new corporate administrator and adding new locations. The rows for new corporate admin information are rows 3 and 4. The rows for new location information are rows 7 and below. Rows 2 and 5 contain example data for each section. If you would like, you can delete the sample data, but don't change the column headers. Here's how to fill out the CSV file. If needed, add another corporate administrator by entering their information in rows 3 through 5. Add new locations starting on row 7, column B, indicating the new location name. Each location name should be unique, 29 characters or less. Add a primary user in column C through F. Do not add additional users at this stage. You'll add individual users after the location is created, either through the corporate admin or location admin portal. In the fields provided, enter the location address beginning in column G and going through column J. Please make sure you use the location address, not the corporate billing address. This will match the ship from address when you print postage. Fill in the rest of the fields with the information indicated in the heading. Once you've added all the locations, save your file. Then, return to the pop-up window and click Select CSV File to upload it. Finally, click Submit Request to send the file to our support team for processing. Once submitted, we'll process your request, and the new locations and users will be set up within 5 to 7 business days. If you have any issues with your spreadsheet, please contact support for further assistance.